Yo weirdos, welcome back to my channel. Napipiyok ako. Napipiyok ako. Napipiyok ako. Napipiyok ako. One more time. Yo weirdos, welcome back to my channel. This is Rand, this is my world, this is Rand's world. So, katatapos lang ng birthday ng friend ko na itong 15 and I'm going to have a birthday celebration tomorrow. Today is Friday, so tomorrow Saturday. So, I decided to surprise her kasi nung birthday ng isang friend na si Leia, 30th birthday niya na wala siya. I mean, first birthday celebration ng kaibigan ko na wala na siya kasi nga dahil nga sa isang aksidente. So, last year we planned to have a birthday celebration kasi nga pare-paras kami magta-30 this year. So, yun. At ngayon, ito, I decided to decor. Hindi naman siya bongga, pero this is my own parang Hello Kitty stuff, something like that na decoration. All pink naman siya. And what I did is this. I'll show you kasi hindi ko ma-rotate yung camera. I'll show you. Wait lang. So, yesterday I went to Japan Home. Yeah. Hi guys. Sa Japan Home. Kasi cute yung mga ano doon stuff. And then I have this newspaper. What else yan? Then, ito. So, ayan na siya actually. Tada! So, there. Ayan yung balloons. Bala yung balloons, I bought that from National Bookstore. And then, itong foil curtain, it's a combination of light and dark pink. Yung dark pink was actually bought from Lazada nung birthday ni Leia kasi dalawa rin yung binili ko nun, pero the other color is peach. So, I decided to use the peach color. And then, itong pink natira siya. So, I decided to combine it. And then, yung yung light pink, I bought that from National Bookstore as well. Tapos yung, parang sash or whatever you call it, that happy birthday sash or card. I bought that from Lazada. So, I actually used that. And then, I recycled that here lang para hindi na tayo ulit bumili. So, from Lazada rin siya. And then this one. So, supposedly, gagamitin ko to nung birthday ni Leia. However, dumating, kasi ang nangyari nung birthday ni Leia, naganda kami sa house and then we went dito sa bahay nila Joanne, ng friend ko. So, when we left the house, sabi ng tita ko, saka dumating itong order ko na to. So, sa Lazada rin to. Galing pa to atang China, kaya natagalan siya. So, hindi na nagamit. So, sabi ko, I'll keep it. And then, ito, gagamitin ko sa birthday ni Joanne. And then, tada! So, ayan. So, this one, I forgot, kung anong tawag dito. Pero, ito yun. Ito siya. Ayan. I bought that as well sa National Bookstore. Ayan. And then, tapos ayan yung ribbon. Actually guys, nung mismo 15, syempre, special birthday to. This is, parang 3 dekada na si Joanne. So, I bought a cake from Red Ribbon, yung half lang. Kasi nga, wala na may ibang kakain kundi kami lang ni Tito dahil nasa Maynila rin si Joanne. So, yung ribbon niya, tinabi ko. And I decided to recycle that as well. And then, I bought this pink ribbon din sa National Bookstore. Ito yung mga binili kong gift from Japan Home. Puro Hello Kitty siya. So, ayan. Tapos, may heart siya sa loob. And then, this one. Ito yung parang sinasabi na arato. Or kaya nilalagay nga sa box. Parang, ito nga yung nakalagay, diba? So, ayan siya. Sorry. Ganyan siya dapat. Wala akong kitang mataas sa upuan. So, what I did, ito talaga, ginagamit to ni Moy Moy for laptop. Yan. So, sabi ko kasi gusto ko siya makita parang aesthetic workspace. Aesthetic, whatever. So, yun na. Tapos, so I decided to use the newspaper lang, Japanese newspaper, para cool siya tignan. Alam mo yung makaluma. And then, eto, bali Hallmark yung box na binili ko. Yung parang pang-gift din sa mga notebook. And then, binalot ko siya ng brown paper bag. So, kasi diba, bawal na yung plastic. So, paper bag yung binigay. I decided, ito yun. So, yan, ginupit ko yung, niya, yung half niya. Tapos, ayun, para lang magmukha siya talagang authentic na, yan na. So, ayun. Sana magustuhan niya to. And then, the big card. So, there. Let me just show you this. So, there's something inside here. After this vlog, I think, before the end of this vlog, I'll share the photos. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, ayan. So, I'm not sure she's gonna come home tonight because this is actually surprise. So sana umuwi siya ngayong gabi para makita niya agad to. Kasi baka mamaya limit na rin yung mga balloons, diba? Or baka may pumutok, or syempre matutulog ang kapatid niya rito, mamaya may electric fan, diba? So sayang naman. So sana talaga umuwi siya para makita niya agad tong gift ko sa kanya. So there, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best in life. I wish na matupad lahat ang goals mo, and yun, sana magustuhan mo to. There you have it, folks. So, ayan. I have to go home na kasi wala pa akong tulog, and then my last shift pa mamaya kasi nga it's Friday night, and yun, thank you kung naabutan nyo tong part na to ng vlog na to. So this is just a short vlog, and there you go. This has been Ran, this is my world, this is Ran's world. Bye bye. Thank you.